Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action. Turn on the device, unlock with a passcode, and open Settings Face ID. Position your face 10-20 inches from the true depth camera so the system can map key features. This distance balances accuracy with privacy. Once done, keep eyes open and centered. Make sure ambient light is even, avoid direct backlight, because the camera uses depth and infrared cues, not just a photo, to create a secure facial map. You now perform the core enrollment steps that capture facial geometry. Tap Setup Face ID and follow prompts, hold the device steadily and align your face within the frame. Move your head in a slow, full circle so the sensor records multiple angles. This fills gaps in the depth map. When prompted, complete the second scan. This refines edge cases like hair or beards. Because the system learns from those scans, you'll get faster, more reliable unlocking over time with varied head positions. You're finishing setup and taking a quick step to avoid future problems. Enable attention-aware features so the device requires your eyes to be open for sensitive actions. This prevents accidental unlocks. If you wear different looks, add an alternate appearance to reduce false rejections. Once everything is saved, test Unlock, App Store, and Apple Pay. If Face ID fails often, go to Settings and reset Face ID, then re-enroll. This is the single most effective troubleshooting tip when
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.